In this video, I'm going to show you how to pour models. The first thing is we want to prep everything. We're going to get a plastic to protect the vibrator. You got your models ready, a stone and water. So you're going to get the bottle, you're going to fill the water to that line, and then you're going to put it in a mixing bowl. Okay. So now we are going to get stone, and we're going to put it with the water and go slowly. Don't put your wet spatula on the stone. So the mixture that you want is going to be as like a soft serve, like the ice cream from the machine. That's the mixture that we're looking for. It's like very soft, like that. See? From the machine. So, okay, now we have that. We don't need a lot because we're only going to do the anatomy of one model. Now we're going to turn the vibrator on. because then it's going to get soupy. So for this, what we want to do, this is the art portion. Make sure that you're mixing everything from the bottom. Get in there, because remember you had the other mixture for the art. So now you want to make sure that you are mixing. And again, you always want to do kind of like the 8, is just get in there and mix. So this is good. Now we are going to get a glass slab, and we're going to have it ready here. So now we're going to get our model, and look what we're going to do. We're going to do a little bit so we can put in one quadrant, and I'm just going to angulate it the same way as the quadrant is, and I'm just dropping it. I'm not pushing it down or anything. I am just dropping it into that quadrant. Then I'm just going to get a little bit for the other quadrant, and again I am just dropping it, putting it on top, angulating it with the quadrant, and just dropping it. Okay, so that's that. And now the rest of the material, I am going to get, and I will put it here. And then I want to smooth it out so I don't have bubbles or anything. And I want to make a little square. So I'm going to make a little square, and now I'm going to invert my model on top of that square. I don't know if you could see it from here. So I'm just going to drop it here, right? And now I am going to put it together without locking my tray. Okay? I want to make sure that I don't lock my tray. So anything that's green, it cannot have stone. So this over here has a lot. I can get it from here, and I can add it on the area that needs it. And I am just smoothing out my model. Over here I need a little bit more. And again, as you can see, I am not touching the green. And if I do, I will just clean it out. Okay? You can use your hands, but make sure that you're wearing gloves. All of this material is carcinogenic, so you want to make sure that you're using your gloves. And then you can just smooth it out. And this would be how you pour a model, the inverted pour. Okay. Once you do that, make sure that you write your name on the glass slab so you know to identify your model. Okay.